Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox and review Honda CB750 Cafe by Hot Wheels. Let me bring in the pack. This is the pack, how it looks. So this is Honda CB750 Cafe, white and black combination. So this is very beautifully designed bike. So you can see HW Moto version. So Honda CB750 Cafe. So let us unbox this and start review. This is the vehicle out of the box. This is how it looks. So very little plastic they have used and maximum metal. This is a little heavier. They have given rotating wheels, which is beautiful. Both the end wheels rotate and entire body is black and top is white. So you can see the headlight. So I will give you more review and comparison. As per me, this bike is very beautifully designed. The only shortage is they should have given some coloring to the headlamp. So without color it looks plain. So I will show you comparison with the modified version what I have. So I have another bike which I modified. So let us bring in. So left hand side you can see the modified version. You can see silver color headlight here on the right hand side. This is the original out of the box. They don't have any headlight. Then tail light I have put a red color dot. So here we don't have in the original one. So little minute things makes big difference. So hope Hot Wheels is seeing my video and they will consider these minute things which can bring more look to the bike. So let me show you another bike by looking at which you can tell yes there should be some minute change. This is original Ducati Desert X. So you can see here this is the original painting and the minute details how beautiful it looks. So if they give plain one it doesn't look good. Hope Hot Wheels will look into this and improve in the next release. So the Ducati looks very beautiful yellow color. Maximum body is plastic and these are metallic engine and wheels are rotating both the end. So very beautiful design. I like this very much when compared to Honda CB750. So this is very rare. With great difficulty I got these bikes. If you like today's review and unboxing video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let us meet in a next unboxing video. Until then, bye.